Hi guys, it's me, Cobra Square 77 Sean, with another review. This time it's the Brio old steam engine. My mom's friend ordered this. And I had one of these before, but I lost it. I had some freight cars that I got. This is from another friend set. And I'm here with my cat. Named Moo Moo. Do you like toy train, Moo? Do you like toy trains, Moo Moo? Do you like toy trains, Moo Moo? Yeah! Moo Moo loves it. He's a good kitty. Do you like toy trains, Moo Moo? If you put your head down, you mean. Yeah, he loves it. Back to the review. This toy train, I love it because of this. The piston rods move. And this was a short reel, and that's for all. Chugga chugga. Chugga 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 chugga. Woo woo. Woo woo.